Have you ever dreamed of being your own boss? Imagine waking up every day with the freedom to work on your own terms. Imagine ditching the 9-to-5 grind and building a business from your laptop. Picture yourself working from anywhere in the world, whether it's a cozy cafe or a sunny beach. That's the power of dropshipping. It's a revolutionary way to start an online business without the traditional hassles. It's a game changer for aspiring entrepreneurs. No more worrying about stock or shipping logistics. With dropshipping, you can sell products online without holding any inventory. This means you can focus on marketing and growing your brand. It's a low-risk, high-reward model that's changing the way people do business. The barriers to entry are lower than ever before. We'll dive into real-life success stories of everyday people just like you. These are individuals who started with nothing but a dream and a laptop. They took the leap and built thriving dropshipping empires. Their journeys are filled with valuable lessons and insights. Get ready to be inspired. These stories will show you that success is within reach for anyone willing to put in the effort. This guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to kickstart your own dropshipping adventure. From finding the right products to marketing strategies, we've got you covered. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or simply looking for a side hustle, dropshipping offers a flexible and accessible path to financial freedom. It's an opportunity to create a business that fits your lifestyle. It's time to turn your dreams into reality. The journey may have its challenges, but the rewards are worth it. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur. The world of dropshipping awaits you, and the possibilities are endless.
Dropshipping is simple, yet it can be incredibly powerful for entrepreneurs. You create an online store and partner with suppliers who handle inventory and shipping, making the process seamless. When a customer places an order, the supplier ships it directly to them, ensuring quick and efficient delivery. You focus on marketing, customer service, and growing your brand, which are crucial for success. One of the biggest advantages is the low overhead cost, allowing you to start with minimal investment. You don't need to invest in inventory upfront. This minimizes your risk and helps you manage your finances better. Dropshipping also offers incredible flexibility, adapting to your lifestyle and business needs. You can run your business from anywhere with an internet connection, giving you the freedom to work on your terms. It's perfect for digital nomads, stay-at-home parents, or anyone who values freedom and flexibility, making it an ideal choice for many. With dropshipping, you're not tied down to a physical location, allowing you to travel or work from home. You can reach a global audience and scale your business without limits, tapping into markets worldwide and growing exponentially. First steps to dropshipping success. Ready to dive into dropshipping? First, choose a niche. Focus on a specific product category that excites you. Passion fuels success. Conduct thorough market research. Identify products in demand and analyze your competition. Next, select a platform for your online store. Shopify is a popular choice for dropshippers. It's user-friendly and offers a wide range of apps and integrations. Create a professional and visually appealing website. High-quality product images and compelling product descriptions are key. Remember, first impressions matter. Make sure your website is easy to navigate and provides a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Now, you're ready to start building your dropshipping empire.
In the world of dropshipping, suppliers are the backbone of your business. Finding reliable suppliers is crucial for your success. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. Platforms like Alibaba, AliExpress, and DHgate are treasure troves of dropshipping suppliers. When selecting suppliers, consider factors like product quality, shipping times, and communication. Request product samples to ensure they meet your standards. Effective communication is key to a smooth partnership. Look for suppliers who are responsive, transparent, and committed to your success. Remember, your suppliers are an extension of your brand, so choose wisely. Now, let's get people to buy them. Marketing is crucial for driving traffic to your dropshipping store. Without effective marketing, even the best products can go unnoticed. Social media ads are your secret weapon. They allow you to reach a vast audience quickly and efficiently. Target your ideal customers on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. These platforms offer powerful tools to narrow down your audience based on interests, behaviors, and demographics. Search engine optimization, or SEO, is essential for organic traffic. It helps your store appear in search results when potential customers are looking for products like yours. Optimize your website content with relevant keywords to rank higher in search results. This involves researching the best keywords and integrating them naturally into your product descriptions, blog posts, and meta tags. Email marketing is a powerful tool for nurturing leads and driving repeat purchases. It allows you to build a relationship with your customers and keep them informed about new products and promotions. Build an email list and send targeted campaigns to engage your subscribers. Personalize your emails to make your customers feel valued and more likely to make a purchase. Remember, consistency is key in marketing. Regularly update your strategies and keep your audience engaged with fresh content. Experiment with different strategies and track your results to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact. Use analytics to understand what works best and refine your approach accordingly. Before we continue, if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, share it with your friends, and drop a comment below with your thoughts or questions. Your engagement helps us bring more valuable content to you. Now let's explore some success stories of dropshipping entrepreneurs who turned their businesses into successes. Meet Sarah, a single mom who turned her dropshipping side hustle into a 7-figure business. She started small, selling eco-friendly home goods from her kitchen table. Sarah was passionate about sustainability and wanted to make a difference. She meticulously researched her niche, identified reliable suppliers, and created a stunning online store. Social media became her marketing playground. She ran targeted ads and engaged with her audience authentically. Sarah's dedication paid off. Her business exploded, and she was able to quit her day job to focus on her passion full-time. Sarah's story is a testament to the power of dropshipping to transform lives. Despite its rewards, dropshipping comes with its own set of unique challenges and obstacles. But don't worry, challenges are part of the journey. One common hurdle is dealing with competition. The key is to differentiate yourself. Focus on a unique selling proposition, or USP. What makes your store stand out from the crowd? Provide exceptional customer service. Go above and beyond to create a memorable experience for your customers. Another challenge is managing shipping times. Transparent communication is key. Keep your customers informed about shipping updates. Consider offering faster shipping options to enhance their experience. Remember, every challenge is an opportunity for growth. Embrace them and learn from your mistakes. Now let's talk about John, a college dropout with a head full of surprises and a burning desire to succeed. He discovered dropshipping and saw an opportunity to create the life he always wanted. John started researching different niches and stumbled upon his passion: drones. He built a dropshipping store specializing in high-quality drones and accessories. John mastered the art of Facebook advertising. He targeted drone enthusiasts with laser precision and drove massive traffic to his store. His sales skyrocketed and John became a dropshipping kingpin. His story proves that with hard work, dedication, and the right strategies, anyone can achieve dropshipping success. Dropshipping is your ticket to entrepreneurial freedom. It's a low-risk, high-reward business model that can change your life. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The best time to start is now. Take action today and turn your dropshipping dreams into reality. Remember, success in dropshipping requires hard work, dedication, and a willingness to learn. Embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never give up on your dreams. The world of dropshipping is waiting for you. Before you go, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more valuable tips on dropshipping success. And hey, we want to hear from you. Share your experiences or drop any questions you have in the comments section below. Let's build a community of thriving dropshippers together. And there you have it, the ultimate guide to kickstarting your dropshipping journey. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your entrepreneurial endeavors.